Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be installing new headlights in the Mustang. These ones have halo rings. They should look really cool, so let's get right into this video. So here's the beautiful Mustang. We got her pulled into the garage. How are you guys liking the new lighting in here? We finally got new brighter lights, so everything is nicely lit up. But yeah, here's the new headlights we're working with. So I went with clear rings instead of like the white because this car is gonna be murdered out eventually and not be having chrome accents on it. So I didn't want it to all be red and black and then have a white stripe. I think it would look better with the clear. Sorry, I was not paying attention to where I was aiming the camera. But yeah, we're gonna throw these suckers in. They should look super sweet and get rid of these. I know a lot of you probably like these, but these just have way more potential. And who knows, maybe in the future we can open these up. Well, they're glass. I don't know if you can pry these apart like how you can like plastic ones. But we could put halo rings in these and we could have the classic old look with halo rings in them. I don't know. These should look really cool though, so I might just stick with these for now. For at least the next couple of years, those are gonna be in it. But maybe when we're finalizing the build, we can do something crazier with the lights, more unique. But yeah, these are gonna be freaking sweet. So I'm gonna set you up somewhere and let's start tearing out these old headlights. So just like that, we got the headlights removed. It looks kind of funky without the beauty rings and the headlights in, but yeah, now we gotta throw in the new headlights. So let's go ahead and do that. Set you guys back up. So we got the new headlight mocked up on this side and we're testing it out. You can't even see it. It's so freaking bright. There's with the high beam off, so as you can see the bottom was lit up, and then there's with high beam on. So it looks super sweet. I don't have the halo rings hooked up yet, but oh, it's staticky. That's funny. But yeah, I like it a lot. And they're super bright. They're definitely gonna help with visibility. Look how dark the camera is now. There we go. Now you can see again, but yeah. I think these are gonna be a nice new addition. Turn the lights off now, Dad. Yeah, look at that. That looks so much cooler. Dang. So yeah, once we get the beauty rings back on, I might have to black them out, make it all look nice and pretty. We'll see. Now time to do the other side. So update, we got both headlights in, they both work. Dad, you can shut the headlights off so they can actually see the beautiful light. But yeah, let the lens readjust. So this is what we're working with right now. The chrome bezels are still not in, so don't worry, this is not the in look, but I think they look really nice. I'm very happy with how they turned out. Sheesh. So we got the headlights working. Now time to do the fun part, and do all the halo wiring, which should honestly not be that bad. So oh yeah, I didn't film myself doing that headlight because it's just repeat of what I did on this one, and it's super easy. So yeah, now let's get those halo rings tested and mocked up. Okay, so update. I got the rings wired up. It was actually simple. I just fused into the little side marker lights because when those are on, the halo rings can be on. I think it looks super sweet. I could connect it to the battery, but I don't think I want to do that. I might end up doing that maybe. So then I don't have the orange lights on with the halo rings, but there's a different color. And these are just the rings. There's green. What's the color is this? Oh, that's red again. Oh, there's blue. Blue is super bright. I'm trying to remember what all the buttons were. Oh, spinny stuff. Oh, this is crazy. The beauty rings, I also threw those back on. Definitely gonna have to black out the beauty rings ASAP. I hate them. Chrome is not the move with those suckers, but yeah. Let's see if I can go back to red. Oh, that's slowing them down. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Okay, there's back the red. So, I mean, it looks super sweet. I just don't know how I feel with the side marker light. Kind of kills the vibe. But we can fix that. I plan on, these actually have turn signals in them. So I plan on making these rings the turn signals. And then I'm just gonna make this a white light. I'll replace the bulb. I'll get rid of the orange bulb back there and I'll put a white light in. And these will just be white running lights. And then this one on the side can stay orange, I guess. I don't know, I'll probably white it out. But yeah, I like them a lot. Dang, video doesn't really do this justice. It's kind of sad. Turn the lights on, Dad. Ooh, there we go. That kind of actually helps a lot better. So yeah, got these halo rings installed. Looks sweet. I like them a lot. My camera died, but I just want to do an update to my video on the headlights. I ended up blacking out the bezels so they're no longer chrome. You can't really tell, but also, as you can see, that's an orange light right there. But this is kind of a white light now because I got the orange glass bulbs out and I put clear bulbs in. So they're way more white in the front. So that looks a lot better with it being kind of, since they're not LED lights, they're not like a white light, they're more of like a yellow light. But it still looks way better than orange. So I'm really happy with how it turned out with the bezels being black and the white lights. They look a lot better than an orange light in the middle. They make the red pop out more. So yep, there's that. Here, let me do one with flash so you can see the black bezels. There we go. So Axel's here too in his Honda. But as you can see, looks a lot better with that black bezel. I had a little bit of situation with the paint fish-eyeing, so whoops. I'm gonna be addressing that when it's warmer out. I think it was because it was cold and the surface wasn't that clean. So they're coming back off. Then eventually I'm getting them powder coated. But yeah, pretty freaking sweet if you ask me. Then here's what it looks like with the headlights on. So here's it with the headlights. As you can see, super bright. Here, let me turn the brightness down. You can see the halo rings. There we go. Look how nice those are. So yeah, looks super sweet. I got two on each side. Oh, my brightness tab just went back up. But yeah, they look really good in person. In person, you can see how you can see the light with the red. But on camera, obviously you're not gonna capture that. But yeah, I'm super happy with how they looked. Okay guys, so there's a little short clip on installing halo rings on my Mustang. I like them a lot. Definitely gonna have to black out the chrome bezel though. I don't like it at all. And those side marker lights are definitely gonna have to go clear. But that's for another video, or maybe I'll just do that in my free time and I'll show you in the next video the final result of that. But this video is just installing these halo lights. Oh yeah, and just in case you guys were wondering how I did it, I don't have it all buttoned up. because I'm not gonna show that on video, but all I did right here was, here's your side marker light, right? You got 3 wires. Of course, your colored wire is probably gonna be your turn signal, and then brown, I went for saying it was your running light, and then black ground, and I was right. So I fused right here into the brown wire. As you can see, I fused in this red wire that goes all the way. You can see it's strung right here all the way across. I'm gonna tidy it up, don't worry. And it plugs in right here. And this is just the 12-volt wire for that. These are your turn signal ones right here. You can hook these up to, like this green one for instance would hook up to the green one right here, and then there's a white one right here for the left turn signal. That would go to the yellow one right there. And then you also have a black ground, which there's a hole drilled right here, so I just re-put in a bolt. It worked out pretty well. And then besides that, everything else is just plug and play with the headlights I got. Okay, so I will be doing something new. I'm gonna throw the headlights I got in the description below with a link. If you guys want these, I highly recommend them. They're pretty awesome. And the nice thing about these ones is it comes with a remote and Bluetooth app. The ones that just come with Bluetooth apps, they're nice, but it's kind of a pain to get on your phone and connect your phone to Bluetooth and then change them to the color you want. This is just like boop on and so forth. So when pulling into somewhere or turning them off quick, it's just an easy tap of a button. So that's nice about these, but they got tons of different like modes. Obviously not a lot from the remote you can do besides just change it to the normal colors, but there's a whole bunch of cool modes with like the lights spinning around. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of installing modernized headlights on the old Mustang. So yeah, let me know if you like them or if you don't. I genuinely like them. I think they made the car look a lot nicer, but just imagine the bezel's black. I mean, it doesn't look bad, right? Yeah, it still looks way better with the newer headlights if you ask me. But yeah, leave your thoughts down below or any other mods you want me to do to it. I'll be reading and responding to every single one. But yeah, also thank you for 600 subscribers. We just hit that in this video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.